Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make tuna and potato bhajia. It is so simple and easy to make, and it is so perfect for Ramadan. And let me take you, let's go with ingredients so we can get started. So for the bhajia batter, we need besan, flour, baking soda, salt, and this is a little bit of ajwain, like just half teaspoon. And then we also need chopped onion, chopped green onion, chopped coriander, and chopped green chilies, which is optional. You can just skip the green chili if you don't like it. And then for the stuffing, we need 1 can of tuna, potatoes I have already boiled, and I just have to mash it. And then to the stuffing goes these spices, which is coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and this is just caraway seeds. You can replace the caraway seeds with cumin seed, or you can just leave it if you don't want both. So these are half teaspoon each, except the turmeric is quarter teaspoon. Now first thing I'm gonna do is it's better right now to preheat your oil, because as soon as we're done mixing everything, this is going to be fried, like ready to go. So first thing, I want to mash these potatoes. Before the potatoes get too cold, it's good to mash it like as it is hot. And that is done, and I'm gonna take my fork and I'm gonna mash this tuna as well. And then we are going to add all of these spices with the potatoes together in the tuna. And now we are going to mix everything. And I have switched by hand. Now I did add a little bit of salt, and I forgot to show you, we need to add a little bit of salt in this tuna and potato mixture, especially potatoes ask for salt. So since tuna has already a little bit salt, so just be careful, do not add too much, just a little bit. And now we are going to make these little balls just like that, and then just set it on a plate. Now that the balls are done, put them on a side. Now mix all of this dry ingredient for the bhajia. Have some water on the side. We're gonna use water as needed. And now I'm gonna add everything here: green onion, chopped onion or diced onion, green chilies, and chopped coriander. Mix this as well. And now I'm gonna add my water. Just add little by little, mix. So this is the consistency that we need for the stuffing bhajia. And now we are going to fry it. Oil is preheating, heat is over medium high. Now just grab the bowl and just put one bowl like that in your butter, and then cover it with the bhajia batter, and then grab it like this. If you can see, don't try to touch the ball because it will break. Just try to cover it just like that with the bhajia. Okay, and then just drop. Let me show you one more. All we are trying to do is cover the stuffing like this, get the excess butter out, and then just drop. Gently just use a fork and move your bhajia around so they can fry well. And this will take about 7 to 8 minutes to fry for the first batch. And then as the second batch goes on, the oil you will see will be very hot, so that way you have to reduce the temperature a little bit down. so the bhajia don't burn. Okay, so let's just fry until a nice golden brown color. The smell is so good, and you guys can see the bhajia is looking good and it has a nice color in it. I want to leave it a little bit more, like maybe in the camera you can see it's darker, but it's not really darker right now. Just a little, like maybe a little bit more than half minute. Okay guys, this is what I like here, and let's remove this bhajia, and I want to break it and show you inside. Smell is so good. If you love tuna, then this snack is for you, and if you don't like tuna, by eating this you're gonna start liking tuna. Trust me, my kitchen is smelling so good right now. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. I just want to break one and show you. Just get this one a little bit colder, and let me just break it, and I want to show you inside with full of tuna. Let's give it a try. So good, so soft, it's yummy. Click that like button if you did like this video. Hope this recipe will help you during Ramadan, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.